Trade block, I'm ChrisCataluna. Stick around because we're getting into this pushback sneaker release. Are the Obsidian ones and the Blue Chill patent ones better than what's in this University Blue box? Of course, obviously, these are the UNC Toe AJ1s. But before we get to them, check us out on the different socials at Trade Block. If you enjoy our videos, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we upload new videos. Fight the algorithm. Download Trade Block, available on Google Play and Apple App Store. It's an app where you can trade your sneakers, grail for grail, used shoes for new shoes, or new shoes for used shoes. First-time traders get 50% off of fees and an additional $5 off when they use the referral link in the description box below. Happy trading. Now they were set to release on July 8th, 2023, but Jordan Brand had different plans, so they pushed back the date to July 22nd. What plans were those? Not too sure. However, they did do an early drop sneakers release on the app a while ago, to which I took an L, but it's all good. Most sneaker boutiques with Jordan Brand accounts, such as Kicking It in Austin, Texas, should be stocking these. Now, before the official release, retail is set at $180 USD. Add your tax and VAT based on where you reside. And if you need that early pair, trade for them on Trade Block, where you could be one of the first people to trade for them. 358 traders want them, and already 50 traders have them in their closets, and the numbers are only going to grow. UNC colored box, black font and logo. It's a clean look. Tissue paper wrapped around the shoes to reveal the shoes, but you've already seen them. First impressions, they're a hella clean shoe, done in that bread toe or shattered backboard color blocking. I don't think I need to go too much into detail about the history unless you've been living under the rock, but UNC, University of North Carolina, is where Michael Jordan attended school. He played basketball there, he received 2 National Player of the Year honors, and he got 1 NCAA title. Getting back on track, UNC colors are found on the vamp, the heel counter, and the ankle strap, where you'll also see that debossed Air Jordan Wings logo done in black. White quarter panels found on both the lateral and the medial sides of the shoe. Black leather, the Nike swoosh that wraps all the way around, the mud guard, the eye stay, and the collar. First thing people love to ask is, how is the leather quality? The leather differs across the different uppers on the different panels, but generally, they feel great to the touch. And there is a slight plushness to it, especially on the quarter panel and the heel counter. We're provided with 2 sets of laces, the default done in this flat black cotton built lace. Now, the second lace, in a move for sustainability, Jordan Brand has done this move to zero effort, where the box is done up in cardboard, no more plastic bags for the laces, and then the laces inside are done in that UNC color. And to be honest, I like the black laces better, which is very uncharacteristic of me, as I like to go against the tongue color. Behind those sets of laces is the mesh black tongue, crowned at the top, where we have that black woven label and Nike Air spelled out in UNC colors. Getting inside the shoe, that black mesh lining or that neoprene, I'm not too sure. It's probably more of a neoprene material. It is heavily padded on the lateral, the medial, and at the heel of the shoe, and I love that it's done in black because it won't get dirty easily, and it's going to comfort the ankle. It's at this point where I want to praise the Jordan Brand, because Jordan Brand, with several different models, they made the insole pretty easy to come out. I know the past iterations, the foam ones, I would pull it out and then a bunch of that foam would be breaking. Not on this one. So what we have here is the insole, where the fabric is done on this piece of foam, and then the Nike logo done in the UNC color at the heel. The other insoles were just trash. I hated taking a blow dryer to them just to pull them out. It was terrible. These should be standard issue on all Air Jordan 1s. Moving on, both the midsole and the outsole are made of a blown rubber component, enabling not only durability, but flexibility, as it serves as the foundation of the sneaker, providing structure. We have the white midsole going along the base, and then the UNC colors on the outsole, where you have the circles at the top, the logo in the middle, and then the grid mark at the heel of the shoe, done in typical Jordan 1 traction form. I'm not gonna lie, these will probably look hella good if they were hit with that Foxtrot aging marker. On feet, these look great, but you know how it is. Jordan 1s don't offer the most support or the most cushioning, so I won't claim that this is the most comfortable sneaker I have in my closet. With the leather quality, I can see these creasing up pretty quickly, but not a big deal if you actually rock your shoes. If you need sizing help, Jordans and Nikes typically run on the same last, so go with your true to size. If you don't know what your size is, you can always hit up the mall and try on a sitting Jordan 1 model, a low, a mid, or a high. There's plenty out there that are just sitting on the shelves. Trust me. Overall, I think the UNC Toe ones are dope. I actually like them more than Obsidian ones and the Blue Chill ones. This is probably one of my favorite Jordan 1 color blocking styles. Not sure how many pairs of these are supposed to be releasing to the wild, but good luck if you're planning on copying them. I don't anticipate the UNC Toe ones sitting on shelves. Alright y'all, I think this is a good stopping point for this sneaker review. What are your thoughts on the UNC Toe ones? Is this a good pickup, a bad pickup? Do you think the Obsidian ones or the Blue Chill ones done in that patent leather are better than these? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Check us out on the different socials at TradeBlock. If you enjoy these videos, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we upload new videos. Fight the algorithm. Download TradeBlock, available on Google Play and Apple App Store. First-time traders get 50% off of fees on their very first trade and an additional $5 off in using the referral link below. Thanks for kicking it with me. I'm ChrisCataluna, and we'll check you next time. Cheers. See you now.